Welcome to our budgie world. Budgerigars are also called budgies or common parakeets, are small, long-tailed, seed-eating parrots native to the dry grasslands and woodlands of Australia. They have adapted to survive harsh inland environments for over 5 million years. The name, budgerigar, likely comes from Aboriginal languages, meaning, good food, or, good meal. Budgerigars have a strong cultural significance in Aboriginal Dreamtime stories and art, associated with wisdom and locating water in the desert. Scientifically described in 1805 and first brought to England in 1840, budgerigars have long fascinated ornithologists and pet lovers alike. Budgie flocks are one of nature's most delightful spectacles. In the wild, these tiny parrots thrive in large, colorful groups, sometimes numbering in the hundreds or even thousands. Living together keeps them safe from predators and helps them find food and water in Australia's dry landscapes. Within these flocks, budgies communicate constantly using chirps, whistles, and body language. They form strong social bonds, pair off, and often preen one another to show affection. Even in our homes, pet budgies mirror this behavior, seeking companionship, play, and chatter. Watching a flock of budgies reminds us how deeply social and intelligent these birds are, thriving best when they have friends by their side. Social bonding is vital, so you'll often see groups grooming each other, playing, and even sharing food. The flock structure gives every bird a role, from scouting for new water sources to raising young together. Budgerigars were widely captured and brought to Europe in the 19th century, rapidly becoming popular as pets due to their cheerful nature, small size, and ease of breeding in captivity. Captive breeding began in earnest during the 1850s in England. Budgies thrived in aviaries, and their population grew quickly worldwide. By the late 1800s, budgerigars were common in European homes and aviaries. Export restrictions were eventually imposed by Australia in 1894 to protect wild stocks, further stimulating captive breeding abroad. Selective breeding in captivity has produced a wide variety of color mutations including blues, whites, yellows, grays, and albinos. Thank you for soaring with us deep into the vibrant and untamed world of wild budgies, nature's dazzling jewels of the sky. These incredible birds, bursting with color and spirit, embody the wild heart beating across our planet. Every feather tells a story of survival and adventure. If this glimpse into their extraordinary lives has inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, stay passionate, and keep the wild alive in your heart. Until next time, keep exploring nature's secrets, one